Here are the latest AirPods Pro, which now come with a magsafe charging case. Now that's a new feature only with the latest AirPods Pro. You won't find that in older versions of AirPods Pro. So let's unbox this and take a closer look. The first thing you'll find in the box is this quick start setup guide, which is quite good actually, enough information to get you up and running. And here they are, the latest AirPods Pro, which now come with a magsafe charging case, which I highly recommend because it's very convenient and fast way to charge your Apple devices. And I'm always using mine to charge my iPhone 13. These AirPods are IPX4 water resistant, which means they are resistant to water splashes, so they'll be fine if you get caught out in the rain or working up a sweat at your local gym. They are also very lightweight at just 5.4 grams each, and they'll give you 4.5 hours of listening time from a single charge. You get 2 extra pairs of silicone ear fittings in small and large size, just in case the standard ear fittings don't suit your ears. And you also get a USB-C to Lightning cable to connect your AirPods to a charger. But unfortunately, no charger is included with these AirPods, as Apple are trying to reduce packaging waste. So if you don't already own a suitable charger, I've included a couple of product links in the video description below to help you out. So let's try them in my ears to see how they fit. Shake my head around. Yeah, they're really secure. These aren't going to fall out easy. And they feel okay actually. Feel quite comfortable. These are the standard ear tips that come with them, so obviously I've got standard size ears, so pretty sure I won't need to use the additional ear tips. So if we compare the AirPods Pro to Apple's latest AirPods 3, straight away you can see that the AirPods Pro is a bigger case than the AirPods 3. But if we look at the actual pods themselves, you can see actually there's not a lot of difference. If I just put them on my hand, you can see there's not a lot of difference in the size. So if I was to pull this silicone fitting off, that's it. Now let's have a look at the difference. And in fact now you can actually see that the AirPods 3 are actually bigger than the AirPods Pro, which I find surprising because I would have thought it'd be the other way around, because the AirPods Pro must have more electronics in for the active noise cancellation, but that's not the case. And I guess the reason for this is because you haven't got a silicone fitting with the AirPods 3, Apple have made the design more bulky so it fits more snugly in your ear. Whereas with the AirPods Pro, you have the silicone fitting. So now, as a comparison, let's see how comfortable the AirPods 3 are in my ears as compared to the AirPods Pro. Now these don't have the silicone ear tips like the AirPods Pro. And they are an equally good snug fit actually, and they do fit my ears really well. But the difference with the AirPods 3 is that it's kind of, it can be a bit hit and miss. Most people, they will fit your ears very well, but if you've got non-standard ears, then they're not going to fit you so well, and then in that case you're better off with the AirPods Pro because they've got the extra silicone tips. But in terms of how they feel in my ears, my honest opinion on this, I would say that the AirPods 3 are slightly more comfortable because you haven't got the extra silicone tip that you do with the AirPods Pro. So they're kind of like just a slightly kind of smoother fit really, because you've only got this, you haven't got any extra contours or anything to cause any lack of comfortable feeling in your ears, and they just do feel slightly more comfortable. But that said, they don't feel such a secure fit. I think if I was doing some really vigorous exercise, I mean, I can show you now, they are a secure fit, but if I was really pushing it, then I'd feel that these, let me just put it back in, are just a little bit more secure. And with the AirPods Pro, you've got 2 additional silicone tips to get that perfect fit for your ears, which you don't have with the AirPods 3. To pair these with your iPhone, you just need to bring these close to your iPhone and then just open the case. Like that. After tapping on connect, we get some nice animations with instructions on how to control our media, how to use noise control, and additional controls in the control center. And then finally we get a summary of our AirPods battery status. And if we now tap done, our AirPods are paired. Now these AirPods also come with an ear tip fit test. Now that's a bit of a tongue twister, but it's really good because it checks that you have the right size ear tips for your ears, which will ensure that you get the best sound and noise cancelling performance from your AirPods. So to do this, just go into your iPhone settings, then Bluetooth, then tap on I next to AirPods Pro, then tap on Ear Tip Fit Test, and then tap on Continue and place your AirPods in your ears. And then finally tap on the play button, and in a few seconds this test will tell you if your ear tips are a good fit or not. So there you go, that's the unboxing of the AirPods Pro, and I will be doing a full review of these and comparing them with Apple's latest AirPods 3. And that review will be coming up somewhere here very soon. So please subscribe to be the first to watch that, and thanks for watching.